Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, traction control, remote start, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.